Let's play some Mario Party 10 on my Wii U.
This is a required test on the emergency alert system, originating from the East Local Station for the Violent City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been a natural emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, a nuclear plant incident in another state, or local emergencies that affect your safety, official messages would have followed the alarm tone. The station serves the Violent City area. This concludes the test on the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the shit? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my game. That's just bonkers. That's it. I'm going to kill that imbecile who's responsible for this.
Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. I don't know what the heck you're angry about, but you need to shut the damn up and quit whining like a big spoiled baby brat. It really irritates me when you always complain about a lot of crap.
Dad, please. I do not have time for your tomfoolery right now. I'm so darn angry and you know it.
When the Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. got to the EAS studio.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here? And why do you have a pistol in front of my face?
Oh, shut your pie shithole and don't move a muscle, you jamoke. This is what you get for ruining my game of Mario Party 10 on my Wii U. So I'm gonna kill you right now.
Oh my freaking god. Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. Why did you try to kill me in the first place? You know that it's considered as murder, and it can get you into prison. That's it. I'm going to give you a beating for trying to kill me.
Oh. I better run.
Man, it sure is a great day to have a walk.
I know, right? Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird.
Help me. Somebody.
What's the problem, Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr.?
Yeah, what seems to be wrong?
I got an emergency alert system reporter chasing after me to beat me up.
Not to worry, Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. I have a great idea. You can come into my house where it's safe, so we can all hide in my room and lock the doors. But that's when War Philippines comes into action. When the emergency alert system barges into my room, he'll jump scare him.
Okay. That idea sounds amazing.
I agree. Jump scaring is kinda my specialty. Now let's go in.
Hey, the door is locked. I'll need some plans to break in. Oh, I think he's with Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird and War Philippines. I'll break the door and beat all three of them up.
Quick. In my room.
Phew. That was close.
We know. Anyways, what do you want to do now?
Let's watch all the Family Guy episodes on YouTube.
Okay.
Several hours later, after watching all Family Guy episodes on YouTube.
Those were some fantastic episodes.
I agree.
Me too. The most funniest part was the part where Peter was with the ice cream. Ha 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 ha.
What was that?
It's the emergency alert system reporter. He broke into your house. So I don't think we're alone anymore. You better be ready to jump scare him, War Philippines.
Not to worry, dude. I have it under control.
Wait, did you guys hear that?
Yes. It sounds like the emergency alert system reporter is coming upstairs to your room. So it better not be busted. War Philippines, prepare yourself to jump scare him when he barges in.
You got it. Not so fast, reporter guy.
Whoa, what's going on here? What? I am War.
Wow, War Philippines. You sure did give him a big scare.
I agree with Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. Great job there, War Philippines.
Thanks, guys. He totally deserves it for trying to beat us up.
Hey Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird, we're home. Oh my goodness, what happened here? And why is the emergency alert system reporter lying here? Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird, you better have a good explanation for all of this.
I was only trying.
Wow. That completely scared me.
Oh. Mr. Emergency Alert System Reporter. You're awake. Now, please tell us what happened here. And what did our son do this time?
Oh, I'll tell you that alright. I'll give you a whole story. It all started when Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. tried to kill me with a pistol. But I prevented that from happening, and then I started chasing him all over town. But then, he comes across your Sonny and War Philippines, and they all locked the doors after they went inside. I made plans to break in, and they worked. And when I barged into your son's room, War Philippines gave me a huge fright, which is jump scare, and I was knocked out afterwards. But I finally managed to wake up. There. End of story.
Oh, my goodness. Thank you for telling us about that, Mr. Emergency Alert System Reporter. Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird, you're so in hot water for this.
And as for you two, Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. and War Philippines, march to your homes right now, while I call both of your parents. Hello, parents. Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. just tried to kill me with a pistol, and War Philippines jump-scared me and knocked me out. Can you ground them for this, please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Don't worry. I called Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. and War Philippines' parents, so they'll ground them for this.
Thank you, Mr. Emergency Alert System Reporter. You're free to go back to the EAS studio. Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird, we can't believe you helped Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. hide into your room and got War Philippines to jump scare the Emergency Alert System Reporter. That's it. You're grounded for 3 weeks.
Now get up from the floor and go straight to bed.
At War Philippines' house.
War Philippines. We can't believe you helped Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. along with Dark Nemesis Hot Rod Bird and jump scared the Emergency Alert System Reporter. That's it, mister. You're grounded for 4 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room and think about what you've done.
At Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr.'s house.
Dark Chocolate Bowser Jr. We just got a call from the Emergency Alert System Reporter. He said that you tried to kill him with a pistol. Why did you try to kill the Emergency Alert System Reporter?
Because he interrupted me in the middle of my game of Mario Party 10. That's the main reason why I tried to kill him to death, but he stopped me from doing that.
We don't give a crap about that. No excuses, young man. You're grounded for a whole month.
Now go upstairs to your room and be really ashamed of yourself for trying to commit murder.
Dang it.
Why?